Welcome back to another episode of Only Copilot Fans. I'm your host, AJ Ansari. Today, I want to show you the new and improved Describe to Create feature for creating new agents in Copilot Studio. Let's go. In a recent video, I showcased all of the new features that came to Copilot Studio as part of the November 2025 UI refresh. Now, as part of these changes, Microsoft has added two very easy ways for you to create a new agent in Copilot Studio. The first one is right in front of you in the center of the screen, and that is the Create an Agent button. When you click this, it will not ask you any questions, and it's going to take you straight to a blank agent. In about 15 to 30 seconds, the agent will be provisioned, and then you can start typing your description, your instructions, add your tools, knowledge, etc. If you want to select a language or a solution or a schema, go to Agents in the navigation pane, and next to Create a Blank Agent, you click on the dropdown and click on Advanced Create. And you have these options. When you hit Confirm and Create, you're off to the races. But the more powerful of those options, these new creation options, is Describe to Create. We've had something like this before in Copilot Studio, but this has been significantly overhauled. Here, you will also have the option to create an agent in a different language or choose a different solution or a schema name. But more importantly, what you got to do is just briefly describe what it is that you expect your agent to do. So I have on my clipboard a description that I'll paste, and let's read it together. You are an agent that helps users search for records, view records, create, update or modify, and delete records in Business Central. You will use Microsoft Learn documentation to help answer questions about Business Central functionality and context. I'm just going to leave it at that and proceed with creating an agent. All right, now my agent's been provisioned, and let's take a look at what's going on over here. So I've got a baseline description, an agent name, and as I scroll down, look at the instructions it's populated. This is what I get so excited about. The old Describe to Create experience for agent creation would also generate some instructions, but they were very simple, not very organized. Unlike that, here we have a purpose defined, a general guidelines section, skills, and step-by-step instructions for all the things that I've told the agent it is going to be doing. And here's what I love. For certain things, it will ask for confirmation from the user. Never more important than when you're trying to delete a record. It also has some steps for error handling and limitations. And of course, I may want to make changes to some of these as I go along. And then scroll down and you're going to see knowledge sources. Because I said I want to work with Business Central and it be able to answer some questions, it looked at some of the files that have recently used this knowledge that are related to Business Central, and it's highlighted them right over here as suggestions. Scroll down a little bit more. And then look at the tools. This is where I was really impressed. Because I explained all the things it's supposed to do, it went and it found all the tools that are necessary to accomplish those. Get a record, create a record, delete and update and find records. And all I have to do now is hit add and configure them. And at that point, I can start testing and I can start publishing and using my agent. I am really impressed with the new Describe to Create functionality. If you're an experienced agent maker, it speeds you up. And if you're a novice, this will give you some guidance and help you along where you really don't know what to do next. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the video and tell your friends about Only Copilot Fans. Until next time, I'm AJ Ansari and thank you for watching.